My name is Lily, and today I want to introduce you to my family. One thing my family loves is celebrating birthdays. We have many birthday parties all year long, so there is always something to look forward to. First, there's my dad. His name is Peter. He is 42 years old and works as a teacher. He loves his job and enjoys helping students learn new things. My dad was born on February 12th. Every year we throw him a surprise party. He always pretends to be really surprised. It's funny. My mom's name is Jody. She is 41 years old and is a lawyer. She works hard and always helps people with their problems. My mom was born on May 16th during the spring. It's usually sunny and about 72 degrees Fahrenheit, which makes it perfect for a birthday picnic in the park. My parents have been married for 22 years, and they are very happy together. They got married on July 4th. It's the same day as Independence Day, so we always have fireworks at their anniversary party. It's a special day for all of us. From their marriage, they had 3 children. The oldest is my brother Bob. He is 16 years old and is in high school. Bob likes sports and plays basketball on the school team. He was born on March 5th. He is the first child and is already 5 feet 8 inches tall, but will probably grow even taller soon. Then there's me, Lily. I'm 14 years old. I enjoy reading books and spending time with my family. I was born on August 10th. Since my birthday is in the summer, it's always very hot, around 80 degrees Fahrenheit. We always eat a lot of ice cream at my party to stay cool. I love summer birthdays. Last but not least, we have my younger sister, Ella. She is 8 years old and full of energy. Ella loves to draw and is always creating fun pictures. My little sister was born on December 1st. It's always cold during her birthday because it's winter, but she loves it. She is 4 feet 2 inches tall and still growing. We usually make hot chocolate and cookies for her birthday party. Now, let me tell you about my grandparents. My mom's parents are Carol and Frank. My grandmother Carol is 63 years old. She is a fantastic cook and makes the best pies during the holidays. My grandma Carol was born on November 3rd. It's fall, and the weather is cool. The leaves start to fall from the trees, and Grandma always makes a beautiful autumn-themed birthday cake. It's her favorite time of the year. My grandfather Frank is 67 years old. He loves to paint, and his paintings are beautiful. He even gives some of them to us as gifts, and we hang them on our walls at home. My grandpa Frank was born on January 21st. His birthday is in the middle of winter, and there's always a lot of snow. We love playing in the snow on his birthday, and then we drink hot cocoa together. The temperature is usually around 26 degrees Fahrenheit, so we have to wear warm clothes. My mom has a sister named Molly. Aunt Molly is very kind and always smiles when she sees us. She is married to my Uncle Tony, who is always cheerful and full of jokes. Together, they own a pizzeria, and we love going there to eat pizza with them. My Aunt Molly was born on April 7th. She is 5 feet 11 inches tall, which makes her taller than my Uncle Tony, who was born on June 9th. Uncle Tony is 5 feet 6 inches tall, but he doesn't mind being shorter than Aunt Molly. He always laughs about it. Now, let me tell you about my twin cousins, Penny and Nate. Aunt Molly and Uncle Tony are their parents. Penny and Nate are funny because even though they are twins, they don't look alike at all. Penny has blonde hair and Nate has dark hair. It's fun to see how different they are. They were both born on September 2nd. Since they are twins, we celebrate their birthdays on the same day. In the afternoon, we have Penny's party, and then in the evening, we have Nate's party. There are always 2 cakes, one for each of them. I love their birthday party because we have 2 parties in one day. After my own birthday, their birthday is my favorite. The only month without a family birthday party is October. But that's not a problem because October has Halloween. For me, Halloween is just like a party. I get to dress up in costumes, and we always eat a lot of candy. It's so much fun. In my family, birthdays and holidays are very special. I love these moments because we all come together, eat cake, and have a great time. Family is very important to me, and I love spending time with everyone. I feel lucky to have such a wonderful family.